Welcome back to Hyderabad recipes. Today I'll show you how to make and freeze Khatti Dal for nearly 23 servings. Enjoy the fresh Khatti Dal flavor each time you use it by following this method. I've taken 1 kg red lentils or Masoor Dal washed and strained. I'm using a big saucepan. You can also use a 10-liter pressure cooker to tenderize it. Diced tomatoes 1 kg. Ginger garlic paste 3 tablespoons. Turmeric powder half tablespoon. Red chilli powder 2.5 tablespoons. Water 1.5 liter. Mix well and close the lid. Cook on medium flame for about 20 minutes. Cook on low flame for about 40 minutes till the lentils get very tender. If you are using a pressure cooker, cook on medium flame for 2 to 3 whistles and on low flame for 5 to 6 whistles. Soak 125 grams or nearly 1.25 cup washed and strained raw tamarind in 500 ml water. Stir the lentils at time to prevent burning. Make it into a fine paste either with a wooden masher, hand blender or mixer grinder. Squeeze the soaked tamarind. Strain and add thick consistency tamarind water. Add more water and squeeze the pulp. I have added 1.5 cups of water here. I am adding here 1.5 liters of water. 2 tablespoons salt. Mix well. I have made a medium consistency dal. While defrosting it, we will add more water. Cook on medium flame till dal comes to boil. Cook on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Allow this to cool. Add 2 spoonfuls of dal to a 300 ml container. This dal is exactly 250 ml for single serving. Seal the container with a label. This entire dal is packed for 23 servings. Arrange the boxes in a single container. Now we are going to deep freeze it. Take out the containers as per the servings. Now we will continue with the final process. I have taken here 2 containers for 2 people. Here thawing is not needed. Release the frozen dal by passing water on the container. Add frozen dal to a pan. Add 1/4 cup water for each serving. Here I have added half cup water for 2 servings. Close the lid and cook on low flame. Dal is liquefied. Mix well. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. 1 tablespoon curry leaves. 1 tablespoon chopped coriander. 2 green chilies divided into halves. Cook on low flame for 1 minute. To another pan, add 1 tablespoon oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds or jeera, 4 garlic cloves peeled. Fry till light brown. 3 dry red chilies. Saute 30 seconds. Switch off the flame and temper this dal. Mix well and close the lid. Leave for 2 minutes to retain the aroma. Enjoy the taste of a freshly prepared Khatti Dal. Thank you for watching. Please do leave your valuable comment. Do share and subscribe to our channel Hyderabad Recipes, and do not forget to press the bell icon for notifications of our latest videos.